Good morning to all. In this lecture series, next we are going to see what is meant by a module and what is meant by a packages. So first thing, we must understand why we use for modules or packages. So I will tell you that modules and packages are fundamental concept for organizing and structuring code, facilitating the reusability. So this is the main advantages of the modules or packages. For an example, uh, uh, module in a Python is a single file containing Python definitions and statements. For an example, .py file you create is a module. It can contain functions, classes, variables, and runnable codes. Then packages is a way to organize related modules into hierarchical directory structure. Yeah, so these are all the learning objective of this particular session. So what is meant by module and packages? How to import and use the inbuilt modules and user modules, then Python packages. Yeah, so if you want to see, if you take any case study, then based on that, if you see modules and packages, we can easily understand the concept well. So first one, here we are going to the design some the problem. The core challenge is organizing and managing code efficiently. So what are the efficient code organization is a crucial for enhancing collaboration among the developers and maintaining the project quality. Yeah, so this is the reason we are going to use the modules or packages in our program. Without modules, code bases become chaotic, make it difficult to isolate bugs, leading to increased development time and effort. Yeah, first one, in this particular slide, we are going to see what is meant by a module, how to import a modules, what are the common built-in modules. A module is a self-contained piece of code that encapsulates functionality, allowing for code reuse and organization, typically saved with .py file extension. Importing a module. The next, use the import statement to bring in modules, enabling access to their functions and classes, enhancing the efficiency of programming tasks. The third important point we have to remember is explore the essential built-in modules that provide varied functionality such as mathematical operations, random number generation, date time manipulation, and operating system interaction. So the next we are going to see what is meant by a packages. A package in Python is a way to organize related modules and code into a single hierarchy, which can simplify, manage, and enhance modularity. How to import a packages? The syntax for importing packages allow developer to include specific modules or entire packages, demonstrating flexibility in code organization and reuse through a practical examples. Yeah. So first, how to build a packages. So this is one activity I'm going to conduct. So first, to create a basic calculator packages. Develop a functional calculator that can perform some basic arithmetic operations. Requirements. If you want to develop this particular module, what are the requirements are available? Organize the code base by separating different functions into distinct files for clarity and ease of maintenance. Finally, what is our goal? As I already told you that engage in a practical learning by applying modular programming concept, enhance code reusability and structure. So this is one simple example for developing a packages. Yeah, so next we are going to see, as I already told you that if you want to use anything, if you want to reuse anything, we must include the concept as modules and packages. I already told you that modules and packages, the basic difference is modules are a single file, while packages are directories containing multiple modules and potentially sub packages. Then the second difference is modules organize code within a single file, whereas packages provide a hierarchical structure for organizing related modules. The third difference is packages are identified by the presence of an init.py. So that is, with the help of that, I already discussed in the beginning, with the help of that we can identify the packages. In essence, packages provide a higher level of organization for modules, allowing for better management of complex Python project. So these are all the things that we have seen in this particular presentation. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment section. Thank you.